Proud flesh looks like a raw, fleshy tumor growing out of an animal. It is a rare granulated tissue that filled in a wound. After washing the wound, scrape it clean and cover it with lime. Products like Wonder Dust are mostly made of lime powder. After applying a generous amount of lime, you're going to cover it with a bandage or a vet wrap. It is just a simple layer to keep the lime from falling off. Pull the vet wrap so it is tight enough to bond to itself, but do not worry about getting it too tight. It's going to be held on with layers of duct tape. The treatment can take several weeks for the healing to completely occur. By that time, you will definitely know how to apply vet wrap and feel comfortable with getting it to the appropriate tightness. Each day, the wrap will need to be cut off and then reapplied with fresh, clean lime and bandages. If you're not seeing an improvement in the end of the first week, some vets may recommend antibiotics such as LA200 or Nuflor. This would be in addition to the continued treatment of the lime or some other type of topical powder and cleaning of the wound site. While proud flesh is more common in horses, it can occur in all livestock. The first wrap of tape should be around the pastern. This will keep the bandage from sliding down. Continue to apply small strips of tape all the way around the hoof until it has made a complete boot. This will keep the goat from chewing it off and allow it to walk on without tearing the bandage. I'm going to speed up the video so that you can see the things being done, but that you're not wasting time just watching layers of tape. You'll understand the process as you get your hands on it and doing this after your first boot. On day 2, you're going to cut off the boot with a pair of scissors or bandage shears. The lime and the compression really helps with the inflammation. Every day you're going to need to wash the wound and repeat the process with the lime and the wrap. You can use antibacterial soaps if you'd like, but clean cold water and a good scrub is sufficient. After several days, you may notice layers of skin or flesh coming off when you rub it, and that is normal and part of the process. You can dry the leg if you'd like, but patting it dry is sufficient. Some of the moisture on the wound will help the lime actually stick to it. The total treatment on this day took about 3 weeks. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Here's a close-up of the hoof 3 weeks after treatment. She has some minor scar tissue between the hoof, but that's going to be fine as the hair grows back over it.